Keywords and identifiers. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn all about keywords and identifiers in Python programming language. In this lesson, we will talk about how to simply name variables. So what is the meaning of keywords in Python or Python keywords? Basically, keywords are the reserved words in Python programming language. And you can't use a Python keyword as a variable name or a function name or any other identifier. And also you should know that in Python programming language, keywords are case sensitive. And this is a list of keywords that can't be used as variable names or identifiers. Let me show you a simple example of how to create a variable in Python programming language. In this case, we just created a variable called number, and it has a value. This value is 5, integer data type. We will talk about data types later in this course. And we used a single equal sign to assign value to this variable. In Python programming language, if you want to name a variable, you only need to write a name, the name of the variable only. You don't have to type its type or anything else. Also, you don't have to use any keyword for variables like var in JavaScript or let or const for JavaScript. Just type your variable name and its value. Also, it is recommended that the variable name always have a meaning or describe its value in order to make your code more readable for anyone. And you know what? Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase or uppercase or digits, or an underscore character. Exactly like in this example, we created a variable called number, and it is in lowercase. Also, an identifier can't start with a digit. If you try to start your variable name with a digit, this will be invalid. And also, as we said before, Python keywords can't be used as identifiers or variable names. Also, we can't use special symbols like $, @, %, and so on. If you try to use any special character like that or special symbol like that, you will get an error, exactly as follows. As you can see in this case, due to using the @ symbol in the variable name, we get syntax error, invalid syntax. And also, as we said beforehand, the variable name can't start with a digit. You will get syntax error also. This is invalid. Exactly as follows. The program gave us in this case syntax error, invalid syntax, due to using a number at the beginning of the variable name. But using a digit or a number at the end of a variable name is valid. Let's see that. We have a valid variable name here in this case called variable1, and its value is name. And once you use it, you will get its value. You will get name string. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. I am here always to help you. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.